Well, just been to the post office this morning, bright and early, just a little bit out of 8, because I had something I needed to pick up. And I'm sure most of you know what that is. Here we got these little babies. Hopefully all of them's in real good shape. We're going to transfer them into their new home. They've been talking pretty good. We're just going to dump them out slowly, let them kind of get out, go around. Come on, little babies. We're hoping all of them are good and alive without any problems. And we don't want to get too rough, but they've been in there and they probably want to stay in there. Now let's see how many. Y'all are just so hard-headed. Come on. Yeah, make a lot of noise. Make a lot of noise, yeah. Come on out, this is your new home. Why you want to grab a hold of your old home? Huh? Well, hold on now, you're all alone. There you go. And look at that. Let's just see what we got here. We're supposed to have 10 little hens, and hopefully that's what we got. They seem to look pretty good, healthy. Hopefully they'll come up here. They'll find the water. We'll set them up there where they get to moving around once we get one of them trained. Well, he'll be pecking at some food. It found the food. Well, once you get one started, the others will go. But anyway, these are Rhode Island Red babies, the newest ones here, and of course it's going to be a few months before they start getting into laying eggs. But our other chickens are kind of small, and we wanted some more of a dual purpose chicken, and the Rhode Island Red is good, and it's actually a good laying chicken, so you get good egg production, and we'll get a good meat bird out of them too. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little update here on what's new on the farm. And if you want to see more, well, of course, hit that subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified. Happy gardening.